Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to turn a picture into circle shape in Photopea software. So let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see turn picture into circle. Now we can see, now we show the many tool option. Now select from shape tool. Now click from rise button. Now click from escape. Now draw a circle shape. Now you can see, now we're going to the move tool option, then click. Now move the circle shape. Now you can see, then we're going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option, then click. Now you select from picture. Now choose from picture. Now click for open option. Now resize your picture. Now click from confirm option. Now you going to the layer option. Now click. Now click from right mouse right button option. Then click from clipping marks option. That it's. Now you can see turn picture into circle shape in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.